You're welcome to the channel. So today we'll be doing a breakdown on the previous trade we took and also a forecast for next week. So last week we did a focus on GDP card and we analyzed it to go upwards. And we took a trade and we can see currently we are already on profit and I've already moved my stop loss to break even. I will be exiting the market when price gets to this high here, to this point here. I will be closing this trade, or I might close partials of it and allow the market to move probably to this point because this is the next zone in the market. All right, let's go to the pairs which I'm looking forward to trade this week. The first one is the AUD. Despite the AUD has been in a very tight zone, which we discussed last week, you can see this has been a very tight zone for the past 2 years. The market has been unable to break this zone, but we have been seeing activities around this zone here. We have been seeing activities around this zone, and we can see the market has been rejecting for 2 days upward. So we can see this is also a supply zone, and despite it's a supply zone, it's still a support in the market and a level. So my view for next week is if this market rejects from this supply, I'll be expecting a buy to this demand, to this resistance. So my trade idea will be price pushing to this point and I'll be exiting. 4 hours also we'll be expecting a breaking of the counter trend line, looking for a break of the counter trend line to prove that the market has finally changed its direction. So immediately I see a clear break of the counter trend line and other confirmations, then I will announce in the Telegram group for everyone to take the trade. So if you're not part of the Telegram group, please just check on the comment section there. You'll see the link to the Telegram group is being pinned there and you can join and also participate. So it's free, guys, it's free. So we all are here to make money, guys. So just participate and you will be able to take trades as we call them. So ADUSD is one of the setup I'm looking out for. It might not be the perfect, but though it meets the criteria around 70% and 80%. So it has around 80-70% chance of it going upward if it breaks this counter trend line. So these are the type of trade I'm usually interested in, but I like when seeing all the confluence being met, thereby this zone here, where this zone is very far, it gives me more confidence when I see things like that. So on using fibs to analyze, we can see that the market on its own is around 61.8. That's a very sound level. That's 61.8. Everything here is sound though. So I'm expecting the best from this market. If this market breaks this trend line, I'm expecting this market to push higher. Then the next market I'm looking out for is GDPUSD. GBPUSD is the next market I'm looking out for. You can see last week we analyzed it and our trend line has not yet been broken. But I'm expecting a massive bullish movement this week. If I see massive bullish movement, then I will consider entering a trade on GBPUSD. So we can see that this is a zone. Price is currently on this support, which is also acting as a supply. You can see it can also act as a supply. So I'm expecting massive movement. Immediately I see a bullish engulfing on the daily time frame, then I'm comfortable. But if I don't see that bullish movement, I will not take any trade. So I need to see bullish movement on the daily time frame to give me more confidence that this market has high chance, 80% chance of going higher. So I want to see a bullish movement here, then for market to retest and move something like this. So I'm comfortable with the space the market has, because the next zone is very far. It's very far. Meaning immediate price breaks here. Where are we expecting to this point? So it is a little bit cool with GBPUSD than the AUD. The issue I'm having with GBPUSD is not seeing any bullish candles. I'm not seeing strong bullish candles on the daily time frame to indicate that we are about pushing upward. But I will be expecting the best though from this market. And when I see a bullish candle and I see a confirmed entry, then I will notify everyone in the group to take the trades. So guys, those are my two major setup I'm looking for this week. So the next pair we'll check is DXY. Let's see the strength of the dollar. So we all know that the dollar is correlated to Euro USD and also GDP USD. So the dollar is just the DXY shows the strength of the dollar. So if dollar is weak, then we expect the GDP USD to go perfectly well. So we'll be expecting GDP USD to do what? To go upward. If the dollar index just drop, and we can see the dollar index is on a resistance, currently on a resistance, is rejecting though, but it hasn't shown any bearish sign. It hasn't shown any bearish sign. So immediately it shows bearish sign, then I'll be confident in taking the GDP trade and also the AUD USD trade. So someone said I should break down oil, crude. So let's check crude and see how the market has been going on crude. So we can see how the market has been moving on crude. Crude has been consolidating, but despite that, you think it has been facing low, it has been facing downwards, but now kind of witnessing a bullish touch. So let's plot our zones. You can see this is a zone. The market has respected this one for 2 years. Let's look for another zone. You can see here also, and we can also take it upward to somewhere here. So let's go to the daily time frame. So we can see that this zone, there is already a W pattern being formed there. You can see this is the first. See that this market is looking bullish, but I will not trade it though. I will not be trading the crude. I will just focus on those two currencies because of the correlation there is a bit easier. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. So on the crude is looking bullish. It's looking bullish from the daily time frame. And we can just see that is starting though. So you can see this is a low, a high, a low, a higher low, and it will create a higher high. So for crude is looking bullish. See the bullish engulfing candle that formed here. You can see it here. Just if I zoom in, you'll be able to see it clearly. So you can see we had a bullish engulfing. So we're expecting this market to go up. So that's that for this week. I'm only expecting setups from GDP USD and GDP CAD. So please join the Telegram group to stay updated when we are to take the trades and if we are to take the trades. So thank you for staying to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and also comment, guys. Thank you, guys.